Hi, kiddos. How are we doing, ladies? Morning, Mare. Oh, you almost got away, Chloe. Hi, Neo. You silly girl, come on. You've already laid your eggs, sweetheart. Let's go. You too? Come on. Good girl. I know, we're waiting for your sister to come out. Don't be shy, Astrid. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Off you go. They love their eggshells. Hey. Here. If you're just gonna dump it on the ground. If you're just gonna dump it on the ground. I know, girls. I've not been sleeping very well lately. Don't know what it is. Oh, I know what it is. It's pain. Good stuff. Amazing how not good you feel after a few nights of not sleeping, hey? Why aren't you eating your salad, Mare Bear? Come here, Mare. Come here. Come on, Mare. What's this? My good girl. Okay, okay. It's been requested that we skip the solid supervision and come over here. Ironically, the one who's requested it is the last to come. Hi, Neo. Are we happy girls or what? Sorry. Oh, to be a chicken. I mean, there's my all-star. She's the youngest. She lays the most eggs, the biggest eggs, etc. Neo's a bantam. Chloe has feathers on her feet. Astrid has fuzzy cheeks. I like that each bird is so different. Personality, looks, coloration. Hey, we're not gonna be so bossy towards Mare, okay? You've got really broad shoulders, young lady. Wow. Oh, there we go. Oh, my back. As quick as you can, girls. This hurts. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm sorry I couldn't hand feed you the whole time, babies. So how is everyone doing? You hanging in there? Hope so. Whew. What do you think, Mare? Mare, is it time for the sandbox? Mare Bear. Hey, Chloe. Sorry, folks, I gotta blow my nose. It's spring, allergies. But I love you guys so much, I'm gonna pause the video so you don't have to hear it. There. Isn't that great? Especially if you wear earphones. I'm a loud nose blower, unfortunately. Deformed nasal passage, big nose. Well, not big nose, but big nasal cavity. And I don't have a sense of smell. All it does is run. So, you know. Anyways, enough about me. I hope you guys are all doing well. Hang in there. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.